Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today I want to show you how to make a very cool looking video clip or a memory clip using only your iPhone without any apps or any software. In order to do that, you go to your photos on your phone. On the top left corner, you click on the plus sign. After you're clicking on the plus sign, you're going to make a new album. So let me show you how to do that. Click on the new album. It's going to ask you to name your album. For the purpose of this video, I want to make the name food, and then it will take you to all the photos you have on your phone. You're going to select the photos and the videos that you want to have in your clip. Okay, so the iPhone will automatically edit all the photos and show you as a video clip. Okay, so it's going to look like that. I'm going to click on the food album. I noticed that I have one video that doesn't belong, or I don't want to use this video for my video clip. So what I do is in the top right corner, I click on select the photo, and then in the bottom right corner, I click on remove. I don't remove the photo, I just remove it from the album. So now I have everything I need. The next step is on the top right corner, click on the three dots. The menu is going to pop up. You scroll down and then you click on play memory movie. Okay, so it's going to automatically create a clip for you. It's going to look like this, and as you can see, it makes a sample for you. If you click on the screen on the bottom, you can change the video clip to long, medium, or short, and also you can change the theme or the song of the clip. Click on the edit on the top right corner, and you can also edit the title image, photos and video, and also choose a music. If you click on the music, it will show you some samples of the music that you can use for this video. You click back and then you click on done. When you're done your editing, so after you're done, you can click on pause, and then on the bottom left corner, click on the box with the arrow. It's going to allow you to save your video. Click on the save video, and after processing it, your video clip with all the videos and the music and animations will be saved on your photos folder on your phone. This is one of the easiest way to make a video clip without any app or any software required. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you next time.